I think one of the biggest selling points to our doors is the fact that they're relatively maintenance-free. When I say that, that goes back to how the doors are designed, built, and most importantly, coated. And because they are powder coated with a super durable polyester coating, which is the most UV stable powder coat that you can buy on the market, it allows this door to basically weather just about anything that you can throw at it. In the event that your door gets dusty or dirty, all it's required is a microfiber towel and maybe some mild dish soap. There are a few wear items on the door, which are the weather stripping. And if those ever wear out, it's very, very simple, easy, and most importantly, inexpensive to replace. There's really not much you have to do to this door to keep it looking good for years and years to come. Typically, when a customer from outside of our service area reaches out to us to build them a door, we would get them in touch with one of our salespeople. They would go over all the styles and customizations, and then we would give them a quote. Once that's decided on and agreed upon, then it would be up to the homeowner and or client to locate a local contractor that would be willing to install this door, which is just about any contractor who knows a thing or two about installing windows and doors. From that point on, we can use Zoom or FaceTime to obtain the measurements needed by the contractor and then in turn produce a CAD drawing. Once the door is fabricated, we will carefully crate your doors, box them up, and use one of our preferred carriers to ship to your location, and then offloaded by a mechanical lift gate, at what point your installer and a contractor would install the door. Architects and builders are kind of our lifeblood. We work very, very closely with both the architects and builders so that we can ensure that our designs are going to match or complement the entire window and door package on that home. We allow architects to send us drawings, knowing our capabilities, and work hand in hand with the architects to create this vision of what they are looking for. We work very closely with the builders in terms of talking about project timing, design timing, how the door is going to be installed, and how the door is going to be protected throughout the construction process, which is very important.